This is SGT Times bringing news from campus buzz to the world. I am Suryansh Kataria and here's what's making headlines. Indian forces neutralize Pakistan's drone swarm. 32 Indian airports shut amid India-Pakistan standoff. SGT University hosts Global AI Summit iShine 2025. Here's a detailed look at our stories. Multiple hostile drones from Pakistan were shot down near Amritsar by Indian forces, who also struck back with strong retaliation at key enemy posts. Here we bring you the details.
In a major escalation along the western border, Indian air defense units intercepted and destroyed several Pakistani drones near Amritsar. The swarm had targeted military and civilian sites across 26 locations. Indian retaliation was swift and strong, destroying Pakistani military posts and terror launch pads. As tensions heightened post-Operation Sindoor, the Indian Army has labelled Pakistan's action as a direct threat to national sovereignty and vowed to crush all hostile attempts. Air bases in Rawalpindi and Chakwal reportedly suffered severe damage in India's response. Bureau Report, SGT Times.
Tensions between India and Pakistan continue to rise after Operation Sindoor. Amid threats and drone attacks, 32 Indian airports, including Delhi, faced disruptions, suspensions, and high alert security. Let's know more about the news.
Following the Indian Army's Operation Sindoor targeting terror hubs in Pakistan, civil flight operations at 32 Indian airports have been suspended until May 15, 5:29 am. These include strategic air bases and commercial airports across North and West India. Notably, Delhi Airport issued a 5-point advisory and enhanced security protocols, with 138 flight cancellations reported on May 9 alone. Passengers are advised to check with airline before travel. This widespread shutdown aims to safeguard civilian air traffic and escalating cross-border hostilities and retaliate drone strike from Pakistan. The Ministry of Civil Aviation is coordinating with ATC units to manage alternative flights, routes and minimize disruption. Bureau Report, SGT Times.
Let's pause for a short break. We'll be back soon.
Step into the spotlight at SGT University. Join the Faculty of Mass Communication and Media Technology, where innovation meets excellence. Experience our top-tier infrastructure, a dynamic news recording studio, advanced podcast lab, high-tech PCR, and a professional shooting floor, all equipped with the latest industry technology. Our curriculum, designed to meet industry demands, offers real-world projects that set you apart. Learn from seasoned industry professionals and gain insights from renowned personalities and industrial icons. Ready to make headlines? Ignite your media career at SGT University.
Welcome back. Here's what's next in the news. SGT University organized iShine 2025 AI, a global summit promoting innovation through artificial intelligence for a developed India. This international conference took place in hybrid mode on May 9th and 10th. Let's have a look.
SGT University Gurugram successfully conducted the International Summit on Holistic Innovations for Nations Empowerment, iShine 2025 AI. Held on May 9th and 10th in hybrid mode, the summit witnessed participation from global delegates across the USA, Japan, Qatar, Dubai, and India. The event aimed to harness artificial intelligence for sustainable development, aligned with the vision of a Viksit Bharat by 2047. Key tracks included ethical AI, healthcare, education, smart cities, and environmental innovation. Dignitaries like Shri Indresh Kumar, Dr. Harnath Babu from KPMG, and international academic and industry expert added immense value to this visionary platform. Anvaya, the student academic body of SGTU, spearheaded the summit. Bureau Report, SGT Times.
This wraps up today's bulletin. SGT Times, an initiative by the Faculty of Mass Communication and Media Technology, bids you goodbye for now. See you soon with more important news.